Hi. When patients come to clinic to visit a doctor, they say that pain is a curse. I am suffering with pain. Always there is a saying, pain is a curse given to the humankind. Is it so? If you think really, it is not. Pain is a boon or a blessing. What is pain? Whenever you get an injury somewhere in the body, the nerves get stimulated and the nerves give a signal to the brain telling that there is something wrong in that part of the body and you get it corrected. Let us imagine when you hit your leg at some place, the leg gets injured. There may be a contusion, there may be a fracture. The nerves get stimulated, brain gets stimulated, telling that don't do that again, you will get injured. If you don't get that sensation, what will happen is your injury you will not recognize, you will walk around with that injury, your fracture will worsen, and ultimately your limb cannot be salvaged. Similarly, in the heart, during the heart attack, what happens is the coronary arteries get occluded, so the heart muscles do not get oxygen, they become ischemic. Because of ischemia, the nerves get stimulated and the nerves send signal to the brain telling that something is wrong in the heart. Let us imagine a situation which often happens in diabetes, where the nerves don't function and the patients do not experience pain of heart attack, which is called a silent attack. In that case, because of lack of pain, this patient do not recognize they have an attack and they miss an opportunity to visit a doctor and sometimes die because of cardiac arrest. In summary, when you have pain, it's a red signal or it's a fire alarm given by the body to make you feel that something is wrong. And the onus is on you to visit a doctor and get it corrected. For example, a pain which doesn't go off and which doesn't have an obvious reason always will have some or the other reason which needs to be investigated. But what happens when there is a fire alarm? If you just switch off the fire alarm and don't search for where the fire, your entire house will get burnt. Similarly, when we have a pain, if you take a painkiller and ignore the pain, what happens is you are losing a chance to treat the cause of pain. This will lead on to disaster. So what should we do? When you have a pain which doesn't have an obvious cause, always consult a doctor and investigate the cause. If you do that, most of the time you will be able to find out the cause at the earliest and you will be able to cure the disease. So pain is not always a curse. It is a blessing, it is a signal given by God so that we can find the cause and cure the disease.